So this is a nest of bulbul in that cactus plant. If you just see closely, you can just see the tail over there. That's the tail sitting on the nest, and that's the nest. So I will just show you the eggs, or maybe the small birds, babies inside that nest. Let her go out and I will just show you. So the bulbul bird is not over here, so let's see how many eggs or maybe babies are out there in the nest. So as you can see, there are 3 eggs in this. So they give up to like 2, 3, 4 eggs, and the bird, like the babies, come out after like 2 to 3 weeks. So I will just show you babies after some days. So these are the eggs. So we have small birds in the nest. You can see they're asking for food. ची ची खाना मांग रहे हैं. खाना क्या खाते हैं लोग? कीड़े. वही कीड़े दे दे मार के. ना अनाज डाल दी. ये देख मुंह खोल के आ कर रहे हैं. ये देख. नहीं रे मेरे को, मैं तो नीचे हूँ. वीडियो पॉज करके नीचे लाना. हाँ. कितने बड़े हुए. अब बाल उग रहा है इसमें. They're growing feathers. 3 kids. 4 या 2 पैदा हुए. हाँ 3. There are 3. ची 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 ची.